my money makers, okay, take a look at this channel. Chill cartoon vibes. One good thing about this channel is that it is the most easiest content to create. No scripting, no voiceover, just simple video. It doesn't take more than 5 minutes to edit. Yes, when you take a look at this channel closely, you notice that this channel has gathered 17 million views, 201k subscribers. And let me show you when this channel started posting, because creating their video is very easy. Now when you look at it here, this channel started posting 5 months ago, and they are monetized. They have gotten 200 and something k subscribers, and they have gotten 17 million views. Now watch this video. I wanted to take a look at how many hours their video lasts. No scripting, no voiceover. Do you see how this channel is milking money on YouTube? And many of you might be asking me, what is this niche? What can you call this niche? Okay, the niche is called fantasy ambience niche, that deals with medieval relaxation music. And that's all. I want to show you the monthly earning of this channel using Social Blade. Now Social Blade said that this channel is earning from $1,000 to $19,000 monthly. Now let's do it on average of $5,000 every month. This channel does not write any form of script, any form of voiceover. The only thing it does is bring an image, add a background sound, not even a voiceover, add a background sound, and that's all. So today I want to teach you how you can start this particular faceless content that can make you earn more than $5,000 every single month without spending on any form of AI tool. I also want to show you this particular channel that is also into this niche. When you look at this particular channel, they are doing amazingly well. Look at their videos. This channel started posting 4 months ago, has gotten monetized. Now this is one trick about this kind of video or this type of channel. You have to be very consistent in posting. Okay, it's not something that you just post once a week and expect it to go viral. No, you have to post at least 2 videos each day. Hence they are not difficult when creating them. Okay, of course it's not difficult. You can come up with even up to 3 videos in a day. Looking at their videos, they have posted 98 videos for the past 4 months. They post consistently. This particular channel have posted 182 videos for the past 6 months. So it shows you that, okay, before you get to your results, you have to be very consistent in uploading videos here. I know you'd like to start this particular content niche, and if you do, you can drop your comments in the comment section. I am your digital entrepreneur, showing you exactly how to make money legitimately through content creation, which is the king of money making online. Go ahead to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your notification button. So let's head over to Learn. Go to my Google Docs. It will be on my WhatsApp channel. Okay, you can have access to my WhatsApp channel on the description bar of this video. Now copy the first prompt this way and go to DeepSeek. We are going to use DeepSeek. Okay, like I do say, if you are not using ChatGPT 4.0, I did advise you to make use of DeepSeek and get whatever you want. If you are using your laptop, make sure you click on this deep thing R1 before you paste the prompt. Click on paste. Now this is it. We want to get our video topic and not actually a script. Okay, that topic will help us to come up with just one image that will suit our video. Now DeepSeek have given us a lot of topic here. You can generate more than 50 topics, more than 100 topics. Okay, so this is what we are going to do again. Go over to my Google Docs just this way. Go and copy the second prompt. I'm going to do some manipulations in this second prompt. Pay attention. Okay, now go back to that DeepSeek and paste it. Okay, so we're going to scroll up. I'm going to drop one of the topic here. I'm going to drop it, delete. Now let me just take this first one, rest traveler, copy, paste it here. You can put the brackets, paste, close the brackets. Now this is the environment. I'm going to clear this environment and add that environment that is what we generated. Copy, paste. Okay, take a look at what I'm fixing here. I just added the topic. This is the red traveler here. That's our main focus. Now the environment. Another thing is the key elements. This is the key elements. I'm going to delete this and add my own key elements for this particular video. Remember, we are doing this so that we can generate our image prompt. Replace your key elements. Replace your art style. And also replace your mood. Now, after you have fixed it, now look at it. Take a look at all the correction that I made here and hit generate. You go ahead and copy it. We are going to generate this prompt now. Now, when you want to generate your image, you can use either Google FX and you can also use Leonardo AI. These two websites can give you a perfect image for this kind of content, okay? But let's go with Leonardo AI. Go to Leonardo AI. Click on Leonardo AI image generator. Click on get started. Click on image. Now this was the one I generated before when I was just checking out Leonardo AI for this content. This was what I generated before, and then you can download it this way. Now the next thing is for us to animate it. When you look at their own, you will notice that their fire is not a static image. It looks like a real fire, and we are going to animate it here. Now head over to your Kling AI. As you can see here, click on the image to video, import that your picture that you generated. This is just only one video that you are going to animate, okay? Now come to this place and describe what you want it to do. Come to this place and write a flaming fire burning. Just put it this way. You hit on generate. Please take notes on this. When you are generating on Kling AI, if you click on their master, it will require you to pay, but all these ones are for free, okay? Here is the video. Let's play it. You can see it. This is so pretty. You go ahead and download it this way. Now the next stage is for us to get our background sound. Remember, this is not a voiceover, it's our background sound. And this is what you do. You can either use Suno AI or you use Usedl AI. But today we are going to make use of Usedl AI. I've been teaching about Suno AI. If you want to know about Suno AI, go to my previous video. You have a lot of lectures and teachings on them. So today I want to introduce you to a new tool, which is Usedl AI. After signing in and creating your profile, you agree, okay, and create your profile. Now this is where we are to describe our song. For you not to gamble with the tone and the nature of the music, let's allow DeepSeek to help us in this manner, okay? So, still on that same page. Now, DeepSeek has helped us out. Look at the style of the music. We are going to copy this, copy, and go to that audio, just this way, paste it. Can also come back and copy the upload, copy, I just asked DeepSeek what the background sound look like, all the instruments used in the background sound. Okay, you go ahead and hit on keywords. Now here is our sound. Now if it is not giving you the exact sound that you need, you can still twist it until you get what you need. But I think this one is okay for me. Let's play the second one. I'll go with this first one. Click on here and download it. Download as MP3. Download. It has downloaded. Now the final stage is our editing section. We are to edit this video. Okay, you can use any of your editing application, but as for me, I love using CapCut. So let's head over to CapCut. Now go ahead and import that image, turn to video. That's our animation. Now here is this. You bring it to this editing frame. And I want you to crop this aspect of Cling AI, their watermark, crop it out. If you click on crop, you hold this place and crop it out this way. Confirm. You stretch it until it covers the entire space of your editing background. Now the next thing you need to do is to import that audio. Tap on import this way. Whispers of Ancients. Click on add. Now here is it. We have added this. According to their video, it do take up to 1 hour, 5 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. That's their video for you. So this is what you do. You have to duplicate this. So you have to duplicate this, make this 2, bring it again here. Keep bringing it until it covers the sound. Note that you still have to duplicate this sound so that your video can be long. I also want to tell you there is something that appears here. They used to write some short write-ups telling people how their travel should do this. Now you can use DeepSeek to come up with that. You can just tell DeepSeek to give you a travel, or you can just tell DeepSeek to give you a short medieval description and DeepSeek will do that for you. The editing part is the easiest one. It's not difficult to edit. So let's play this. You allow the video. You go ahead and export. Just this way. Go ahead and export. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. See you guys in my next video. Bye.